Okay folks, so this is going to be a very quick review right here. I have a deadline on this orchid. This has to be sent off today. This is from Florida going all the way to Arizona, and I have to have her packaged up before my mail person comes. So indeed, rush. If I seem to be rushing, it's because I am, folks. And this very delightful orchid, this is an RLC Grandma June Metcalf, and this is actually a cross of an RLC Cornerstone times with a Memory Miguel Fernandez. Now, I do have to admit, she is not at her prime right now. She is actually beginning to fade away, so you are not getting her at her best. But I will post a picture somewhere on this screen so that you can definitely see what she looks like when she is totally pristine and brand new. So as we're taking a look at the bloom, you are seeing that beautiful, very rich, but also bright fuchsia magenta-ish color on her petals. And then you're seeing that beautiful color combination a little bit more brighter on her lip area. You are actually seeing that yellow. You're also seeing a white, and then it fades into a pink at the very tip of her lip. So indeed, you are getting very nice color combination all throughout this blossom. Wonderful display. And I also have to let you guys know that this indeed is magnificently and very strongly fragrant. It is strongly fragrant, in fact, so much that when this is in bloom, you definitely will know it. Your whole household will know it because the fragrance is so very strong and also very beautiful. And yet, another wonderful feature about this orchid right here is the fact that it does bloom in a large size. We are looking at 5 inches of bloom span on these blooms, on each one of these, because indeed they can bloom multiple blooms on one single spike. So you are getting an incredible display, incredible size in bloom on these. And if we take a closer look at the lip area, because I did forget to mention some characteristics about it, but indeed we are looking at very nice ripples on the edges of the lip. And then we're also seeing that very nice magenta marking right there. And taking a close look into the center of the throat area, you are seeing stripings and striations right there, very magenta in color. So indeed, adding a nice pattern to this bloom as well. So let's talk a little bit about her growth structure and her growing habit. I do have to tell you guys, this is a pretty large orchid. She stands at about 18 to 20 inches tall and can get even quite bigger than what she is now. As you can see, there are many suitables right here, and they are pretty large. And also you're seeing those leaves extending outward. So again, this can get quite massive in size. You are going to need lots of room for this one to grow right here. But even though she can get large in size, she is an orchid that is rewarding. So it's definitely worth having something this massive if you can handle it, for the simple fact that she does love to bloom off of each new pseudobulb. So you are going to get a lot of blooms and a lot of bloom time with these gorgeous blooms. Definitely worth it, guys. And there you have it, folks. That is a complete orchid in review wrap. Now you guys see that this is quite a beautiful and phenomenal and very fragrant gal. I do love this orchid so much, and I want to know your opinion on what you guys think about this orchid as well. And if you guys are interested in ordering these types of orchids, definitely check me out on my eBay. And speaking of which, I just want to give a quick shout out to Steven in Arizona, who is the lucky winner of this orchid right here. So again, join me on my eBay adventures, and you can find me at My Adventures right on eBay. And if you want to check below in the description, I'll also post that link as well, and you can go directly there. Now you guys already know, indeed I truly do love you guys all. Take care. Mwah.